In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a downstream O2 sensor on your Scion BX. This is going to be located under the motor. Let's get started. We're going to look up top, right at the bottom of our intake manifold. We're going to have our connector. There's a push button on my thumb. We're going to push on that, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a 22 millimeter socket, we're going to remove the O2 sensor from the exhaust. Remove the O2 sensor. Remove the plastic off of the new O2 sensor. Install the O2 sensor. Torque the sensor to 30 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.